Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix smart lock not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Google Play services. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the storage and cache memory of Google Play services. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and click on my phone. Now click on check for updates and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it isn't updated to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.